Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll walk you through the process of downloading Drive Beyond Horizons on your PC. To get started, you'll need Steam installed on your computer. Steam is a popular platform where you can download and manage your games. If you haven't installed Steam yet, let's first go through that process. Open your web browser and go to the official Steam website. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner for the Install Steam button. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to the download page. Here, click on Install Steam again to begin the download and follow the instructions to complete the installation. After installing Steam, open the application. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. If you're new to Steam, you'll need to create an account. You can create an account directly through the Steam website. Just visit the official Steam page, click Login at the top right, and select Create an Account. Fill in your details, verify your email, and then log into your Steam account. Once you're logged in, locate the search bar at the top right corner. Click on it and type Drive Beyond Horizons. Press Enter, and a list of results will appear. Find Drive Beyond Horizons from the list and click on it to open its store page. On the store page, you'll find details about the game. To buy the game, click on the green Add to Cart button. You'll be taken to the checkout page, where you can review your order. If everything looks good, proceed to checkout. Once the purchase is completed, Drive Beyond Horizons will be added to your game library on Steam. To install the game, go to the Library tab in Steam. Here, you'll see a list of all the games you own. Find Drive Beyond Horizons and click on it to access its library page. On the library page, you'll see an Install button. Click on it, and a prompt will appear asking you to select the installation location. If you have multiple storage drives, choose where you want to install the game. Then, click Next to start the download. The download time depends on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, Steam will automatically install the game for you. After installation, you'll see a Play button on the game's library page. Click on it to launch Drive Beyond Horizons. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.